someone not away. Okay, I sniped someone.
Alright, I'm on my way, dude.
Enemy. Go.
Enemy goes. I'm still like 700 meters out, bro. Shield and the sniper is a very unusual combo.
I'm not dropping at all.
Just everyone else is. There's a guy right there.
Bro, I killed someone!
He just dropped in the middle of the building.
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, he's right below you. Bro, he's right there. He's trying to come up the stairs. I picked up a proxy. I'm gonna put it in front of the door, bro. Dropping in. I hear him coming up the stairs right now, actually. He's throwing nades, bro. Oh, crap. Crap, dude. I switched guns thinking I had an SMG. I had a sniper. I have to go hit him in the face. They're all up. That probably should have blown you up. One. Nice live bait. Oh! Oh! That was straight up nasty. That was nasty, bro. But what you need are plates, as always. My biggest complaint is plates.
Oh! I killed another! Bro! No. I'm dead. Bro, they finally ended my streak after 4 kills. And over 1,800%. Bro, I was already getting shot. No, there were 2. I heard him, bro. I got double teamed.
Where you want to go?
Same roof.
Alright. I gotta get plates, bro. I'm gonna go to the gas station and get plates.
What's up, FedEx driver?
I got a bunch of plates this time, bro. I
Bro, he's dead. Bro, I got 6 kills.
I don't know where you are.
I'm behind you.
Oh, bro, you're so.
Nice.
Sure? She's not dead. Okay.
Yeah, that's why you don't do that. It's harsh up here on this little, just.
I'm gonna just kill her with the shield, bro. Yeah, they're all running SMGs in there. I'm back. Right above us, bro. I got one behind. Oh crap, one below us too. Bro, without an SMG, it's so hard to kill him. Oh my god. I barely got him without an SMG. When you run away, you can't shoot in the back. Alright, I killed the one below you.
But it's really helping my gun level up.
True. I'm coming back up. Oh crap.
More like Lizzo. Oh,
Double team. Oh crap, there's 3 separate teams. It's team versus team. I'm out of that's like one of the
I'm using my sniper and a few throwables.
crap, I'm fighting 2 over and over. This sucks, dude. I'm fighting
Bro, I just killed someone. Their squad.
I finally got knocked.
Bro, I downed someone. Bro, look, I downed someone and he's all the way over there. Look, he's dead. Bruh, this is a great gun. But now I'll be accused of being a hacker.
There's better spots to snipe, I think.
Bro gave up. I'm bored. No one, there's not enough people here.
Oh! Bro, you don't even know the shot I just did.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks for the help. Yeah, I saw him right in front of me. I finished him off with a headshot.
Air defense, and I hit him. Our boys just died right here. Oh, I'm gonna hit him with the sniper. Hold on. I hit him. Oh, I hit him. Great, bro. On my left, on my left, on my left. Bro, I just took on 2 and killed one of them. Hit the other with a volley.
how many kills you got?
7.
I got 9.
Bro, our teammates giving him the business. Bro, I'm picking up all these bags of cash.
Bro, that's a dumb guy that keeps trying to kill me, but he's too much of a try hard. Well, no, he just can't kill me though. Bro, we all got a ton of kills.
I have a lot of money. I want to buy some more.
I'm surprised you got to 7. Like, that's cool. We all got really high scores.
No SMG and no AR.
No, it's not that bad.
Okay.
Downed. Oh! I got a headshot when I could see like a tenth of her face, bro.
Popped up. And then you shot him in the face.
Bro, that was gnarly. Oh yeah.
Bro, I'm like,
This is fun, bro. This is fun. Oh no.
oh, I knocked him. Oh, I blew his head off, bro. Bro, we're so overpowered with these. With high alert. Oh my gosh. And I'm showing up on the map with all this money, so people are coming to us to get my money and just getting served. Oh, I just got shot from behind, bro.
Wow, you have a lot of
He's
money.
so far away, bro. 300 meters. I'm not even gonna try to hit him. 300 meters. He hit me clean and it only did like 2 plates. It's just too far. See? See him all the way up there? I have to aim.
I'm surprised it hit us at all.
He's a good shot. He's missing. That'll teach him.
Did you kill him?
What?
Bro, he's been trying to kill us for so long. You don't even know.
You know, that guy has to be trying over and over.
Like since the beginning of the game.
We just throw
He's
our-
like, I just want to kill this fool.
You need plates or anything, dude? Bro, we cleared this whole side of the map. There's no one here. Wanna move? Oh, you got it. Oh, I just missed him, bro. Just missed him. On your left, see him? Oh, on the building on the corner. I knocked him.
No, you didn't. I knocked him. Oh yeah.
I'm plating, I'm going back to the fight, bro. Multiple attackers.
Oh, headshot! Bro, I got 11 kills, bro. We are shredding so bad. Oh no, we met our match.
Fighting you guys by myself over here. Oh, it's not going well. We just keep chasing each other around. Without an SMG, I'm at a big disadvantage here. I'm resing our Canadian. I can't believe we're still alive, honestly. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's kind of incredible that we are just shredding.
Bro, get this. With the sniper, I can't finish him. Oh, he got him so good, bro. No way. There was a girl advisor group named Meredith Palmer. Bro, I don't know who's looking at me. I'm getting speed. I don't know. Oh, guys, bro. You should get off that roof. Crap, I got a front and back side. Oh, my team can save me. Crap. Bro, we're fighting with
Bro! Oh, I thought I got shot by a dude literally floating midair. And I'm like, no, he's cheating. No, it wasn't that guy. Yo! This dude wanted to kill me. Bro, I got the most kills in the squad. I got 13.